Yo, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got a video on how to cut dreadlock. Well, I'm gonna title it How to Cut Dreadlocks, okay? And this is, of course, for a fade haircut with the dreadlocks on top. So first of all, you gotta draw your side guideline on the side. And of course, bald out the bottom. Very simple and easy to do. So you take your outliners, draw a line, and of course you shave the bottom off, okay? I know it's a long time since I posted any videos, and I don't want you guys to forget me. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, okay? Now, what I'm using is my Wahl 100-year clippers. Kind of reminds you of the Wahl Senior. Stronger motor, better clipper overall, if you ask me. I got no guard on here, and I open the lever all the way, and I'm going up, fading about a 1/4 inch, okay? Very simple. Just got the lever opened all the way, and I'm fading up a 1/4 inch. Really simple. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close the lever all the way and try to erase that bottom line, okay? Okay. That bottom line look like it's disappearing a little bit. Cool. All right. Now I got the clipper open halfway, and I'm trying to just get in between. Okay, so now I got on the smallest guard, which is the half guard. Okay, the half guard, of course, I got it opened all the way. And of course, what I'm gonna do next is close it all the way and fade right below that. So I got it opened all the way, faded up about another 1/4 inch. Now I just closed it, and I'm going back down. All right, below that new guideline I just set. I know it sounds kind of confusing, but just rewind what I just said, and you'll see exactly what I am saying, or hear exactly what I just said. All right, so opened all the way and then closed all the way. All right. Now I got on the big guard, which is the 1 guard, okay? Which is the next size up, and I got it opened all the way, of course, just like we did in the last 2 steps. So you open it all the way, fade up about another 1/4 inch, and then you close the lever and fade right below that. Then you got your whole fade transition, okay? So I'm still fading up, close the lever, go right below that, bada bing, bada boom. Real simple, easy, straight to the point. 3-step process: open, close, and right in between. But the right in between is always optional. So you don't really have to fade in between open and close. It's up to you. Any questions, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget, like I said, to share, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and do the hairline, and start right here in the middle, work my way to the right, and it's a fairly easy process. It's one of those things that you just learn through time. Take your time with this. Stand directly in front of the client. However it works for you. Don't forget to look at the client through the mirror to make sure you're positioned good, and you get a real good look at what you're doing while you're doing it, okay? And this is pretty much it. I'm going to actually use some Kiss Express in my new airbrush. And very straight to the point, very quick, precise haircut. You guys, like I said, have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And don't forget to share and subscribe to my Instagram, which is custom_made_cuts. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace.